Hello everybody, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. This is Rajni and let us start our episode with this beautiful contrast black and red combination Kanjipuram silk saree. As you can see in this video with the rich pallu and horse motifs very intricately woven with zari as well as pink silk thread. The folded part is the blouse piece, which is a dual shade of pink and orange. This is the body of the saree. There is a beautiful floral weaving that comes in the border on the bottom part. Let us see the closer pictures of the saree here, and it is priced 12,500. Next is a similar pattern, this time in yellow and pink combination with multicolor leaf pattern booties on the body and self-embossed weaving. As you can see in the closer view, you can see both silk thread booties as well as self-embossed weaving. This is the pallu in the pink and that is the blouse piece. This is how the saree of body looks like. This beautiful saree is priced 10,500. Next comes a bright vivid combination in royal blue and bright chilli red. The whole saree has got golden zari booties and a temple weaved border, as you can see, with intricate checks pattern on the body. Here is the blouse piece and rich pallu in red. This saree is priced 9,990. Next comes half and half style in pure zari with white in the top part and multicolor checkered pattern comes in the bottom half. Beautiful color combination with beautiful intricate lotus floral weaving. The pallu and blouse piece comes in the copper sulphate blue and the saree's body has got self weaving. This is the rich zari pallu. This saree is priced 19,999. Next is a very uniquely woven turning border style Kanchipuram silk saree in red. Here is the pallu. And as you can see here, very intricate bird and lata floral weaving comes in the border and small booties in the vertical pattern comes on the body. This saree is priced 17,900. We have another color in the same design pattern in dark navy blue this time. Rich silver zari woven all over the body. The pallu comes in golden zari, very intricately woven pattern, and here is the take a closer look of the border here. This is called turning border, we say. The same border comes all through the saree. It is priced 17,900. Next comes another half and half style, orange and cream combination this time. Very simple and elegant temple weaving above the cream part. The pallu and blouse piece comes in beige shade. This is the body. Beautiful attractive color combination of bright orange, saffron orange and cream. This saree is priced 10,990. Next one is a designer piece in navy blue and orange, Rettapettu style border with very rich elephant motifs in alternate silver as well as golden zari. Take a closer look of the border. The elephant motifs in silver as well as golden zari, carefully crafted all over the saree. The folded part is the blouse piece and the rich grand pallu. This saree is priced 20,900. This is the open view. Next is a traditional Kanjivaram with very unique color contrast combination with blue and burgundy in the border. Traditional Kanchipuram weaving in silver zari on the body and golden zari comes in the border and pallu. This saree is priced 20,990. This saree certainly stands out in any celebrity occasion. Next is another Rettapettu style traditional Kanjivaram, this time in lemon yellow and brown combination. Very rich color combination. Elegant saree. Very beautiful woven. Intricate weaving in the Rettapettu style and subtle checks pattern on the body. This is the blouse piece. Take a closer look in the pictures. This beautiful saree is priced 18,900. Next one is yellow and pink combination with green and blue checkered pattern all over the body. This is the open view. Take a closer look of the border. This is similar to the one which we have seen before in different color combination. This saree is priced 20,990. Next is a richly woven bridal saree in purple shade. All over the saree has got zari weaving. This is the border with annams and intricate floral weaving all over the saree. That is the blouse piece and here is the pallu. This beautiful saree is priced 16,900. Next comes very pretty lavender shade bridal Kanjivaram. Let us see in the video of the beautiful geometrical pattern woven all over the saree in golden zari and traditional big borders on either sides of the saree. Beautiful weaving. Here is the pallu. The entire saree has got the geometrical pattern, uniquely woven. This saree is priced at 16,900. Next comes another beautiful single color Kanjivaram in the same design pattern in the peach shade this time. All those who like subtle colors will definitely love these sarees. pastel shades along with rich golden zari weaving. Color looks a little different in the video. So if you want to know the exact colors, please let us know to check before placing the order, so that we can send you the actual color after checking the weaver. This saree is priced 16,900. Next is a green Kanjivaram in light Tilagam motifs, golden zari weaving. Same as the purple saree which we have seen a little while ago. Same design pattern in the different color. The color varies a lot in this video. This is actually a green shade, metallic green. So please do check with us on the color if you have any concern. The price of this saree is 16,900. Next one is a very bright color combination Korvai Kanjivaram saree with mustard yellow, purple and red as well as pink combination. Here is the border. Very beautiful with stripes pattern as well as temples above the border. This saree goes well for any festivals and simple get-togethers occasions. Light in weight, soft Kanjivaram, priced at 10,900. Here comes the last saree in today's episode. The pure zari, mustard yellow and multicolor border. And here is the border, beautiful elephant and chakra motifs, self-embossed rich weaving all over the saree in the yellow. That is the blouse piece with the small border, priced at 18,700. This is the open view. In order to book your favorite sarees, please do reach us to WhatsApp number 7010830303. See you all in our next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.